You can create a custom checkout form for customers to complete when they place an order. A custom checkout form is a great way to collect any information from customers on the checkout page, like gift messages, special delivery instructions, or comments. You can also use it to require customers to agree to your terms of service. First, you'll want to enable the custom checkout form. In the Home menu, click Commerce. Then click Checkout. Scroll down and click Additional Fields. At the bottom of the panel, check Enable Custom Checkout Form. Click Edit Custom Checkout Form to start building the form. The Edit Custom Checkout Form window has placeholder content to help you get started. In the Form Name field, replace the placeholder text with the name of your form. For example, Delivery Instructions. Click Add Form field to add a new field. For each field, you can add the title and add a description or instructions. The form requires at least one field. After you add a new field, you can click the trash can icon to remove the placeholder. If the field is required to submit the form, check Required. Click Done after creating each field. Click Edit next to a field to edit its content at any time. And when you're done creating the custom checkout form, click Save to publish your changes. The custom checkout form displays on the checkout page in its own section. The form name displays as the section title. To see how your custom checkout form appears to your customers, run a test order. Keep in mind, custom checkout forms don't display for in-person sales. Custom checkout form submissions appear in a few places where you can manage your orders. Form submissions appear in the Orders tab, as well as in the notification emails you receive for each order. When you export an order to a CSV file, completed forms are included in the file. Style the checkout page to match the aesthetic of your site. These changes also apply to the donation block checkout page. To style the checkout page, in the Home menu, click Design. Then click Checkout Page. Use style tweaks to customize different elements of the page. When you're finished styling the checkout page, click Save. Your order confirmation page updates to match your site's template styles. Please let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.